So this video will be so much better than my last one because I'm not in it. It's that time again. You know, we talk about weaving Serbian spruce or icebreaker fir or lacebark pine or some really cool, interesting plants that are unusual. And this is one, for some reason, I've had a hard time last several years getting my hands on. But I was able to score a couple. This is a true harbinger of spring. This is Cornus officinalis Kintoki. Very similar to Cornus moss. So Cornus moss is cornelian cherry. Sometimes they call this Cornell, C-O-N-E-L, dogwood. It's a 15 to 18 foot tree. Can be grown as a shrub as well. So it's a really nice small tree. Very few problems. And I mean, it is dynamite this time of year. It pops. I mean, the color's great. Flowers are pretty. Flowers persist for several weeks. So it's a real winner for early season bloom. And then as it matures, and the bark starts to exfoliate, and it can be quite showy. It gets a small reddish colored fruit that's edible. The birds eat it. Full color can be yellow to purplish to red. So for a small space, this is a real winner. Cornus officinalis Kintoki, and said good small space tree. Winter interest. Otherwise, for the rest of the year, it's just a small tree. Shiny leaves too. It does have some shiny leaves, but really, really nice little plant, nice little tree.